Hello there and welcome back. In this video, we are going to take a look at how you can debug without print statements. So it's related to my previous video. And this is also another module which I have found on Reddit, so to speak. And the module is called PySnooper. So that's what we are going to see how we can use it. So let's use pip to install PySnooper. And once the installation is complete, we can go ahead and deep dive. So let's open up, let's do this with VI. So we have to import PySnooper, and technically we define a function. Let's call this hello world, and inside this hello world we could define variables, and let's define another one, then return a value. So A colon and B colon, and let's give it the A and the B. And what we can do is basically decorate it with PySnooper and snoop. So now all that is left is to try and call this function. So hello world. And if we run this demo, this is the result that we see for the debugging. So you can see that the function was called. This is a variable definition. This is also a variable definition. We have the return value, the elapsed time. So it's pretty good, I think. And we can use PySnooper with a context manager. So let's call this pysn2.py, and we import PySnooper. And then we define our demo function. And here we are going to have a list. And then we are going to go with a range function and just simply append to this list. And then with the with context manager, we are going to perform some actions. So we take the lowest from the list with the min function, and the highest from the list with the max function, and then print min and the max, and then we call the function. So now if we run the second demo with Python 3, and we don't forget to type the module's name properly, then don't forget to type the range properly. Maybe my keyboard's battery is drowning. You can see the output. So here we have the list definition, and we have the value of I as the last value, and then we find the lowest, then we find the highest, and this is going to be the output, and this is the elapsed time. And PySnooper has a way to produce logs. So if we want, we can specify a log path. So let's do it this way: execution.log. And if you run it once again, you will see that the execution.log contains the output. not the screen. And we can also pass a stream or a callable instead, so we can use it. Basically, we specify a function to be watched and then use that. So we also have a depth variable, and we can show snoop lines for functions that our function calls. So basically, it's like this way. Come on. We have another function, and we have the c equals 10, and return c to the power of 2. And here we can go ahead and call the another. And here we can pass the depth for 2. And then if we run it, return Yep. So now here we are at the depth of 2. So basically we are troubleshooting a function which was called inside a function with the help of PySnoop. So in my opinion, this is a pretty versatile module, and technically it replaces the print statements that we all love and know. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.